Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and this is your reminder for the upcoming April 21st Show Us Your Elves Easter Challenge, where J Dolls UK, Dorie's Dollies, Playful Reborns, and Tina at Tina's Reborns and more, as well as my channel, invite you each month on the 21st at 6 a.m. Central Time to upload a short video of any kind of elf dolls built around the theme. This month is Easter, and as you can see, I have my little Tura in a little Peter Rabbit outfit I made for her, and I even made her matching little bloomers. I like this outfit, real proud of it. Thank you for watching. Please join in. It is so much fun. Thank you, Jay, Tina, Dorie, and Penny. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.